Are you struggling to tackle your SEO and increase traffic to your website? Find out more by sticking to this video. Today, more than 90% of customers and businesses search on the internet before buying into a new product or service. And studies show that if you are not in the first page of the searches conducted by your target audience, you will never be able to reach your customers online unless through paid search campaigns. If you see your competitors being ranked on the searches or the keywords that you feel that has relevancy to your business and the services you offer, that is because of a marketing technique called SEO. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. SEO done right would help you rank higher than your competitors out there in response to the keywords and searches on Google. To better understand how SEO works, let's take a look at how search engines work. Any search engine, for an example like Google, will have bots, a software program whose duty is to crawl the web. It crawls by following links from your website to other pages on your website, and even links from your site to other websites. They crawl the page, read the code, and stores the information. The stored information is called the index, and your initial goal for SEO is to get indexed by Google. If your website is indexed, then you will rank, but not rank well. But you have the potential to be ranked well. And the rank is determined by importance and relevance. It is the position you will appear in the results for particular keywords. When you type in a search term, Google will provide the most important and relevant answers and rank them from the most relevant to the least relevant. This is done with Google's best interest, as their business model revolves around the searches conducted through their search engine. Google's algorithm churns through hundreds and thousands of variables to decide where your page lands. Many of those variables are what you should aim to optimize. Some of these variables are the topics that you are writing about, who is linking to your web page, how your website is developed, your website security, and if your website is mobile friendly. Not only that, Google also evaluates the quality of the pages that are linked to your website. If they are relevant on brand and purpose, then Google will assume you're credible and rank your site higher. SEO, when executed perfectly, can provide a massive return on investment. Done poorly, and it could have a massive negative impact on your organic search efforts. And you might be wondering, what is the ROI or benefit with SEO being incorporated into your marketing strategy? Well, there are three major benefits. Number one is traffic from your SEO is free. Number two is that your traffic will be consistent once you rank high. Number three, and the most important benefit, is the opportunity to reach this massive audience you wouldn't have access to otherwise. That wraps up the session. I hope you gained some insight and learning on what is SEO and how it works. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like it, share it, and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. Also, if you require any help with your SEO efforts, you can reach out to us at Konekt.